Probably the grinder. We shouldn't be grinding, we should be welding.
That. I don't know if they can hear it, but it's the air conditioning. It's super loud.
Probably just other people being loud, like obnoxious.
Someone eating with their mouth open.
When the mannequin starts to scream and cry.
I don't know. I like sound. I like the different noises that people are making because they're interactive. So I don't really think that there's too many annoying sounds. If they're clickety-clacking on keyboards, I know that they're working typically. So I don't really have anything.